How to share a Google Drive link on WhatsApp. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Google Drive app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed in and inside My Drive section. Now you want to go ahead and simply find the file or folder you want to share. Tap on the three dot and just like that, scroll below, tap on copy link. Or you can simply tap on share. If you choose share, you will need to adjust the access setting first. You can simply tap on restricted and change to anyone with link. This allows the person you send the link to actually open the file. Now next, you can choose the level of access you want to give, whether it's commenter, viewer, or editor. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this copy link icon, and just like that, the link will get copied. Now head back, open up your WhatsApp application, and just like that, you want to go ahead and simply long press on the chat box, then tap on paste. And now you want to go ahead and simply tap on the send button, and that's it. That is how you can share your Google Drive folder or file on WhatsApp quickly and easily. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.